Wow. Ah, so cute. Love it. Wow, so cute. Mwah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you some summer and resort outfits that you can wear for your next vacation. Before we begin, I just wanted to let you know that on this channel I do a lot of try-ons for dresses, beachwear, resort wear, but mostly activewear. I also make a lot of short videos, so if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and watch more of the videos like this. Let's not waste time and begin. So here's the first set that I wanted to show you. I really like the color of this set. I tried it with a black bikini on and then the white bikini. Both are perfect. It's very good quality and it's very flattering. I just love it. The set is perfect for boat rides, to wear around the resort when you go to a lunch. It looks very flattering. I love that you can just take this off. Really cute vacation piece. I have 3 more cover-ups to show you, so stay tuned. I really like the color. I love how you can just take this off and, walk around with shirts. Cover up is more on the thick side, which is perfect for chilly evenings. I think this is a gorgeous cover up as well. I love the open back. So cute. The color is pretty bright, which I love. You can wear a lot of different colors bikini under this one. Really love the length and the sleeves on this. Here's the last cover up and the bikini that I wanted to show you today. And then I also have 3 dresses that are perfect for vacation, so stay tuned. This cover up came from the same brand, so it matches perfectly with the bikini. I really like the golden buttons of this cover up. It's very lightweight. The color is very cute. And I really like that the sleeves have this little band built in. So if you want to pull them up, they will not slip off. It's pretty simple look, but what I like about this bikini is the color is very pretty in person, and they also have a lot of sparkle, and it's very, very comfortable. Anyway, let's move on to the dresses. Wow, this dress is so cute. I just love it. Very lightweight, silky. This dress is slip-on, so it has no zippers, no hooks, no nothing. So it's very easy and perfect for a vacation where you just need to just slip something on and be ready in seconds. It has these 2 laces to hold the dress together. I just see myself wearing this on the resorts for a nice dinner. I really love the color. Because of the texture of this dress, it changes with the light, so it's very, very cute. Also, you will not need to iron it. I hate iron on vacation, so this dress is definitely gonna be my go-to when I go on resort vacation. Let me show you one more way how you can style the dress. So here's the second way how you can style it. So what I did is I just added this gold belt. This way you can show off your thin waist. Isn't this scream spring and summer? Love the design and the style of this dress. It's like a bubble skirt, which I love bubble skirts. I'll probably wear this dress with flat and just walk around the cities, whenever I travel. Such a cute dress. I will wear it all summer long. This dress is cute for spring, for summer. It's super cute when you wear it with flats. It's gonna be super cute when you wear it with heels if you need to dress it up. Very versatile dress. And my last dress that I wanted to show you for today, I did feature this dress in another color in this video if you want to check it out. This dress comes in many other colors, so I wanted to try it in this color as well, and I really, really love this, probably more than the green one. This dress is also very comfortable. It's a slip-on. It has no zippers, no hooks, no nothing. You can also tie it in 2 different ways. Unlike the first dress, this is 100% cotton, so you will have to iron it. Downside for me, because I hate iron on vacation, but you can always give it to a services. And I would prefer to wear this dress with a hat. I would also pair them with flats or light platform shoes. So this concludes my try-on for today. I hope you've seen something that you like. If you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe and watch more. Oh, you like this set? I will link it down below in the description as well. I hope to see you soon. Bye!